Lord, how am I going to find a black turtleneck? Hello, my darlings. We are back at the storage unit. Not so much cleaning up today, other than pulling looks for Pinterest and social media for holiday looks for you guys, and for my Pinterest community, and so on and so forth. So let me show you what I've done so far. My apologies. I got started in here and I was like, you know what? Didn't I say I was gonna make this a series? So this is one of the pieces that I'm trying to put this look together, but I cannot find my black turtleneck. So this is one of the looks that I'm gonna do for Pinterest, but I need my black turtleneck. And yeah, I need my black turtleneck. So we're gonna see if that's gonna fly, because if not, then I will just wait to go and thrift a black turtleneck. I'm thinking about doing a cream color story. I sold my winter white coat, but I still have the cape, which I may keep. You guys told me to keep it, but it's still on Posh. So I'm thinking about doing a winter white or cream story. This is okay, hold on. It's like a wrap sweater. So I have that. I have a lot of cream, so I thought that would be a really cute video. I have a cream like duster sweater, and then I have like a shorter one. So I think that would be a really cute video because I have so much of it, and I would wear each one of these pieces in 3 different ways. So be on the lookout for that. And so what are we looking for? I'm looking for my black turtleneck is what I'm looking for. And I have some over-the-knee boots that I purchased towards the end of winter, during a winter sale. And I know they're in here somewhere. And I think I saw them the last time that we were here. I'm also switching out the boots. So these are the boots that I got from Fashion to Figure, my wide calf boots. I don't think they have them anymore, but I'm gonna leave a link below to a few dupes, because it's basically just a pointed toe, wide calf, knee-high boots. So I'm dropping these off, and I'm looking for the other pair of boots because those are thigh-high. I'm looking right here because I see something cream. This is a cream top from, oh, this is from Target. I feel like you guys have seen this before, so I don't necessarily want to show this again. And that's not to say that I don't wear my clothes more than once. I'm not interested in showing this one. I feel like I've styled it enough times for you to know what to do with it. But if not, let me know in the description box below. All right, 3 minutes in. All right, because I don't want to keep you. So I need to find those boots. Let's go through here and see if there are any sweater dresses that we want to show. What is this? I might need these. Black faux leather. I need to put these somewhere. I need to find the other boot. This was on Posh and I took it off. This is a size, I want to say it's like a size 14 size 10, but it's like a faux fur lined coat. I'm going to put it back on Posh. I took it down at the end of the fall season. Oh, I also wanted to, sorry, this is how my brain goes. I also wanted to get some boots that are down there. Let me show you the boots that are down there because I don't think I showed you those in the last video. So let me get those. Okay. I tell a lie, I did show you those down there because you have seen these. So these are the pointed toe, kind of like caramel. Yeah, caramel thigh high. I got these from Shoe Dazzle. And I just love the color. And you've seen these because I have these in that maroon color as well. So I'm going to take these out because I feel like these would be really nice to show you with the cream statement. So let's take those out, and I actually may be going to to a winter something this weekend. So I'll get a chance to wear them. But guess what else I found? Let's see the date on this. I got these 11/28/2022. So a whole year ago. And these are the Nadia, the Fashion to Figure. And they are the thigh high. She didn't have any patent. Patent boot. And see, they've been in here so long. I may have ruined them. Hold on. No, it's all coming off. It's all coming off. But that's the danger with patent, is that you really have to treat it well. So these I actually want to wear for Christmas Day. I want to wear this with a black legging. So I haven't had my coffee yet, guys. Just drop Riley off. Black legging, these, and like a black off the shoulder sweater, which I actually kind of feel like I have. So that's another thing I need to look for while I'm here. I feel like I have that somewhere in here. Do we need to go through these sweaters, or is that another day? Okay, let's go through here and then we'll go through, because I have a whole situation down here. You want to see? I have 3 of these down there. And I see something poking out. This was that. Do I need to sell this? I haven't worn this. Vintage Fendi. I think I may be selling this, guys. If anybody's interested. Yeah, I think I'm gonna let her go because she's been in here this whole time. Didn't even realize it. Let me know. Should I keep or sell? Beautiful. I'm gonna put it over here because I think I'm gonna let her go. There's no need for her to be in here. All right. I got a bunch of sweaters down here, and this may be where my turtleneck is. Thank you guys for joining the mayhem, which is this video. It's letting you guys in to what I do. Anyway. So this, oh no, this is not it, but this would be good with some leggings too. This is all my Toronto wear, my Chicago wear, my I'm gonna be in sub-0 degree weather type situation. This may actually be cute with those over the knee boots. It's a cutout shoulder situation. We'll take it. We'll take it. Wow. Wow. I haven't seen this in donkey years. This with these boots, leggings, and the okay, we'll do a video. This will be in a video. I think I'm gonna sell these because again, I'm not wearing them. It's a midi skirt, size says J-O. I don't know what that means. Plus size leather midi skirt. Yeah, that's going. That's going. And I think it's the same thing in the color that we both love. Yeah, I'm gonna let her go as well. Size 24, which fits like a 22. Okay, so those are going. Wow, we're doing a lot. Didn't expect on doing that, but okay. Hold on. There's more. So, oh, we cleaned out one whole bin, guys, because I'm just gonna put it in here. Sorry, I'm just looking through. Like I said, I have 3 of these. Actually, I think this one is no. And I think I'll just put that in there. We've cleaned out one whole bin. Ah! Well, I shouldn't say that because some of those came out of this, right? All right, so where are we gonna put this? We're gonna put this right there. We're going to close this up. Close that up. Wow. That felt good. All right, so we have this going on Posh, this going on Posh, the Fendi bag going on Posh. And I think I'm gonna let this go. I was thinking about this the other day. Because I'm gonna show you why. So this is the one that I showed you that I did with the photo shoot that I did in Dallas. So let me show you. Oh no, I can't put it down. This one is so heavy. I got this in New York. This is so heavy. I really don't want to take it out. Just know that I have another black one that I got in New York. So I don't really need this. So I think I'm gonna let this go. So this long black cape will be on Posh by the end of the day. That's the goal. All right, what did I come in here for? Please go ahead and like this video if you have not done so already, as a thank you to bringing you into my mania. But I don't think it's mania. I think we just have a lot of stuff, and stuff does hold memories. And so when we get in here with all of the stuff, for me, this is my creative jam, right? Because I love to create looks. I love to play dress up. So when I get in here, I'm like, oh, outfits. All right. Yeah, I don't know where my turtlenecks are, but I do want to do an outfit with we're gonna do this. I haven't even worn this yet. I got this from Primark. I may go to Primark and get a black turtleneck. Maybe that's what I do today. Maybe we'll go to Primark today. This is a skirt that I wore with orange. I think that's at the house. What do we think to go with? Oh, I love this. I feel like I wore this. Where did I wear this? I think I wore this in New York. Okay, we're gonna wear it again. All right. Wasn't expecting to take all of this back, but okay. All right, everything cannot be done in one sitting. So what I will do, I won't do this one right now. We have a whole like 3 months left of winter. And for those of you who are like, you're in South Florida. Yes, physically I'm in South Florida, but my heart is in Chicago, and so is my my style of dressing. So I always love to create content for fall winter because it's my favorite thing to do. So we will do these. Yeah. All right, so I think I'm done. And one of the things I want to say too is that I would rather do this, like we're in conversation, full disclosure, you guys know I had the office space and I'm considering doing the office space again, but this can be tedious at times. And so putting this in like a whole office space where I can go to and create content and do lives, that's something that's definitely on my mind for 2024 because I'm paying for the space, right? And so if I'm paying for a space, I'd rather pay for a creative space. So yeah, pray for me on that because it's something that I am thinking about. I'm gonna put this back. I feel like I'm not doing gray right now. Gray is not what I'm feeling. Yeah, so that's the question now too, is as I clear out the space, because my desk is in here, I have a rack here, I have a rack here, I have my shoe rack there, and so as I clear out space, you know, it's making me think, okay, so are we ready for another office space? Having an office space and paying that $500, $600 every month can be, at times, overwhelming because especially with Posh and with Dion Dean Creative, nothing's guaranteed, right? And so it has helped financially that I don't have that $600 to pay every month. And at one point, the office that flooded, that was $1,000 a month. So that's money that I could put towards going to England, right? But then mind space, like I would love just a separate space to do my lives and to create content. So yeah, just be in prayer with me on that. All right, that's enough. How long is this video? Oh my God. All right, thank you guys for hanging out with me. Please go ahead and like and subscribe if you enjoy this content and if it has been a blessing to you and if it is motivating you to get into your storage unit, garage, second bedroom, third bathroom, and help you do the same. For that reason, I'm excited. This was all worth it. All right, so love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow.